Guys, here we are again. Remember last time I told you that we put the rice on the fire? Now it started to boil up and we turn it down. I don't know if you can see that. There's a lot of steam coming off that. So now guys, here is our curry chicken, and we're just gonna add some Irish and onion to it. So here we go. Here we go guys. Some Irish and some onions we put inside of it to give it a lot of flavor. Yeah, we can't have curry chicken without Irish. So we're actually gonna cover it down and leave the Irish and the onions to cook. Right, here you can see the meat is falling off the bone. Oh, what a nice smell we have right there. So I'll show you the finishing dish in a bit. Now we're going to cover that down and leave it to simmer down. That's a Jamaican word, simmering down, you know. So we're going to leave it right there. Now guys, the rice is finished. Here we have the finished rice. That's how we cook Jamaican white rice and curry chicken. We're going to show you the chicken in a bit, but the rice is finished right now, so I'm just showing you the rice. Okay? Yeah. Real Jamaican authentic cooking, you know? I'm a Jamaican, so this is how we do it in Jamaica. Okay? Yeah. So guys, this is a finishing thing. Jamaican curry chicken with white rice. And we turn off the stove and this is the finishing thing. You should smell the aroma that's coming off this food. Real Jamaican curry chicken. This is how we do it in Jamaica, guys. This is how we do it in Jamaica. Real Jamaican authentic curry chicken. Okay? Now guys, here's the finishing thing. I'm gonna leave you guys right now because I'm gonna have some of this curry chicken and white rice. So next time when I'm cooking up some good Jamaican food, you'll see me again. So this is your Real Jamaican chef and we are out, okay? Bye.